Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be doing a switch ups challenge. Like a switch up slime challenge. And yeah, I got two that are bad and two that are good. So I got 4 slimes. If you guys are wondering why do you have 4 slimes, I'm trying to make more, so don't judge me. I have school and all that, so you know, I'm in school uniform, so let's get on with the video. So my mom is here for switch the slimes, or like one is good, one is bad. Let's say like that. And my mom already picked out 2 if it's good or it's bad. Okay, so I think I'm gonna pick this one. I can't really see. You guys might see. You guys might see if you guys can look in the camera. I can't look. So here's mine. I got a blue. I love this color. Like, guys, I didn't even knew I was gonna get this color. I thought I was gonna get this color on the next round. So this is round number 1. I got like a baby blue or a sky blue. You guys can call it whatever you guys want. A sky blue or a baby blue. You can call it whatever you want. I just call it baby blue or sky blue, whatever. Okay, so let me open it. I might be wrong because I don't play with them that much, and yeah, I don't play with them that much. So I don't add activator like, oh my god, it's so satisfying. Oh, I got the bad one. Because I don't play with them that much, like you guys do. So here's the next one. The next one is like a purplish, like a Turkish. Okay, I got a question, and comment down below. How many slimes do you have? I got 4 because I'm trying to make more. This one is a good one. I wish I got this one. I should have not switched. This one makes noise. Look here. So this one is the good one, so I don't get a point. And I did these 2. So now my mom needs to go this, so I'm just gonna put you guys down. Okay, Mom, it's your turn now. Guys, I'm really closing my eyes really good so that I can't see. So yeah, I can't even see nothing. Okay, now I can open my eyes. Let me just, yeah, I got slime here, and that's why I'm doing that. Okay, so I can't really see in the camera. So, I'm gonna switch. So basically this one is mine. So let me just put that one aside. I got the sticky one. Some of them I know. Some of them I do know if they're sticky or not. Great. I got a sticky one. I'm not gonna touch it because it is really sticky. So that one is a fail. This one is a good one. Okay, so those are all my 4, right? Yeah, those are all my 4 slimes. I got some of the slime in here. Now I need to wash my hands, but I will do that after the video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And hit that notification bell on if you want that I will post every day. I will try to post every day. If you don't know how to follow me, comment how many slimes do you have, what is your favorite slime. Technically, yeah. Bye. How many slimes do you have, or what is your type of slime is? Bye. Okay, bye.